Okay, so this is going to be a very important step that we are going to register for our live simulations for labs. And so it's important that you follow these steps to get signed in for Explore Learning. So what you're going to do is in Google Classroom, I've given you a class code. So when you go to this link, you are going to student class enrollment. You're going to put that class code that I gave you in, and you're going to click enroll. Now you've got two different options here. You guys don't have an Explore Learning account. So you are going to need to create an Explore Learning account. So you're going to click on the green here. And when you do that, this is where it's very important because eventually this is going to be in Launchpad and we need to make sure that they sync up. Because if your usernames and passwords are not the same, it's not going to sync up. So you're going to put your first name in, your last name. The email address is optional, so I do not want you to put that in. And then for your username, you put what you use to log in for Google Classroom for all things for school. So it would be the first letter of your first name, your last name, and the last four of your student ID. So that's going to be, for me, and you put at stu.neisd.net. Now again, you're not using mine, you're using yours. For the password, it's your whole ID number, okay? And once that's in, you are going to hit submit. Now, that's going to take you to the class, and then if you're on your own personal computer, you can remember that. That's fine. You're going to have a list of gizmos, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to explain to you how to do our summer winter gizmo in another video. So, everyone go ahead and get registered. Make sure you use your same username and the same password that you use to get into your school accounts for Google Classroom, for Launchpad, for all of those things.